Hi everyone, this is a video to explain to all of my guests how to use the washing machine. So first step is to turn on the machine here. Then you have to select the program. You have to go with this wheel to the wash and dry 90 minutes here. You can use also wash and dry 45 minutes, but I recommend that do it in 90 minutes because of the dry process. It need enough time to dry the clothes. So then you have to load the tank, no more than half of the tank, please. You cannot overload it because the washing machine has a sensor, and if you overload it, it will be blocked automatically. And the last step is to put the swab and the softener in this compartment. Open here. The swab is on the right in the big one, and the softener is in the small one in this one. And then press play, and that's all. Thank you very much.